Hello, Professor. Today I'll be presenting my exploratory data analysis project on TikTok social media dataset I got from GitHub. So the goal of this project was to analyze user engagement and sentiment patterns from TikTok comments using Python code. I already have my dataset uploaded on Colab, so I'll proceed. So first, I imported the main libraries used in this notebook, which were pandas and numpy for data handling, matplotlib and seaborn for visualization, and textbulb for sentiment analysis. So after loading the data set, I displayed basic information about the data. I proceeded to check the dataset types and also display the summary statistics about the dataset. If we go down, this is the execution of the code, and we can see the data types over here and the summary statistics about the dataset. So next, I proceeded with checking for missing values, because if we have missing values in the dataset, it would definitely skew the results. So I checked for missing values, and it turns out there are no missing values on either of the columns present in this dataset. So next, I performed feature engineering, where I created a new column called engagement score using number of likes plus 1.5 times replies. Replies were more weighted because they represent a deeper engagement. I also created a timestamp from the date columns and extracted the day of the week. So for sentiment analysis, I classified comments under positive, neutral, and negative. Next, I defined a consistent color palette for the three sentiment classes, which were the positive, negative, and neutral. I did this in order for my visualizations to have like specific pattern throughout. So they look visually appealing. Next, I'll proceed with is the visualizations. So I'll explain the visualizations. Now, the first visualization shows the average engagement score by sentiment, and positive comments generally had a higher engagement. The second visualization is a pie chart for sentiment distribution. Most comments were positive or neutral, while negative comments were the fewer. Next, we have the third visualization, which shows the number of comments per day of the week by sentiment. So this helps identify which days users are mostly active on the TikTok. And the fourth visualization, it focuses on the posts themselves, like it shows the top 10 posts with the highest engagement scores. The fifth visualization is a scatter plot of likes versus replies. It shows that the comments with more likes often receive more replies. And the final visualization, which is just a distribution of the comment lengths by sentiment. So the next item we have is just the top commenters by the total engagement and summary statistics for engagement and comment length. So if we see, we have the commenter ID over here. Once the code is executed, we have the commenter ID over here and the engagement score for each commenter. So so from all these analyses, I found out that positive comments drive a stronger engagement. Obviously, user activity changes depending on the day of the week, and also a small number of posts generates most of the overall engagement. So overall, this project just demonstrates how exploratory data analysis and sentiment analysis can help uncover useful insights from a social media data. Thank you.